Hi everyone, I'm Rajan Chaudhary. Today I will talk about three kinds of behavior human being portrays according to the Bhagavad Gita. Shlok chapter number 14. There are three kinds of attributes which human beings are found to possess and portrays in their day-to-day living. These attributes are responsible to propel and shape all kinds of human actions, behavior, and emotions. Sattvic Gun. You know about this? Leads to happiness. The Sattvic Guna, which orients humans to lead a full love, full joy and happiness. People with these attributes are always in a state of bliss and lives life to its fullest. This trait is often found in a wise person who values their life and act to ensure they are reflecting the same in their surroundings. If I talk about Rajasic Gun, leads to action and attachments. This Rajasic characteristic is responsible for humans to attach themselves to the actions which can amass luxury too, fulfill their ever-growing demands and desires. These kind of people always gets gratifications from the outcome of their deeds and extracts happiness out of it. It's an attribute which lead to actions. And another is Tamasic Gun, leads to misery. This Tamasic trait overclouds wisdom and impels one to sloth and live in ignorance. These kind of people are often lazy and live in arrogance. People with this nature are always self-centered and gives too much importance to They feel everyone around is a fool and they are the only one who act right. They lack empathy and wisdom to embarrass the people around everything and often live their life in ignorance. So what's the summary? The whole essence of given Gita shlokas is that if you need to fully enjoy your life and act wisely, you can't live in ignorance. You have to be inclusive. You have to be empathized. You have to be a team player. You have to be a human who relishes the act more and ignore the outcome. If you are too much self-centered and possessive of accumulative stuff, you will often be miserable in your actions. To truly enjoy your work, you need to simply go about it with all your heart, without feeling lost to what your actions can do. You can act with some kind of pre-assumptions based on your accumulated knowledge. But what will happen in the every time, very next moment, in not your doing? Your only doing is to act with supreme efficiency and leave the best for the context to answer.